Your fingerprints cannot be erased. Criminals have burned them with acid, sliced them with razors, scraped them down to raw flesh. Every single time, they grow back identical. One man surgically replaced his fingertip skin with skin from his chest. Police still match his prints because fingerprints don't live on your skin. They live beneath it. Before you were born, pressure folded your deep skin into a permanent mold. Your surface skin just rebuilds from that template forever. You've been marked since the womb and nothing can change it.
Do people think we cannot reassemble their bones? In fact, we are capable of restoring their very fingertips. Quran mentions uniqueness and restoring of fingertips in an incredible way.